Started at 8 a.m. but it could not start till 9 because either polling agents were not present or the polling staff had not make its way to the polling station. So that resulted into the delay of this entire exercise. But now the polling has started at different polling stations. I mean the turnout is picking up, but uh, it is quite thin even now. But people who are present here, they are expecting, and the polling staff and also the polling, I mean the political workers who are present here, they are saying that the turnout would of course pick up in coming at least a half an hour or so. But on the whole, I mean the turnout has been quite thin so far. So far as security arrangements are concerned, I mean, the Election Commission of Azad Kashmir has taken quite a strict steps to ensure that this exercise remains very peaceful and calm. There are 63,000 voters registered at this constituency where I am present here at Muzaffarabad city. Out of, then there are also 164 polling stations. 33 are reserved for male and the rest for female. We have also been in talking to voters who have arrived here. They are saying that it's not easy for the local people to arrive here in time because I mean, transportation is a big problem. There are certain political parties as well which are providing transportation facilities to their voters and supporters. But let's see how the things progress. But at the moment, the turnout is quite thin, and people are expecting that it should pick up in coming few hours.
Now, Sabur, we have seen that all political parties have been campaigning aggressively. What is the turnout, according to the turnout? Tell us, what do you think? Which parties are going to give tough competition?
Well, of course, it's a million-dollar question that who is going to win this race, but there is a very close contest between PPP and PMLN. PMLN is a new entrant into Azad Kashmir. It was established just a few months ago, but it has got a strong presence here. Muslim Conference, which is the ruling party at the moment, it was divided into two factions, and PMLN has emerged as a strong factor, as a strong political party in Azad Kashmir. So it has a direct, close fight with the PPP, which is also being supported by the federal government. So, I mean, the political analysts are saying that PPP might be in a better position to win this race, but PMLN is going to be a strong opposition. And at the end of the day, Muslim Conference and People's Party may join each other to establish a government at Muzaffarabad.
Thank you very much, Sabur. That was our correspondent, Sabur Ali Syed, giving us all the information from Muzaffarabad, where polling is taking place. Now, earlier, as Sabur was telling us that